Unleash your culinary prowess with this Cuisinart 5-in-1 Griddler, a versatile kitchen companion that effortlessly transforms your cooking experience. From sizzling steaks to fluffy pancakes, from gooey grilled cheese to succulent panini, this culinary marvel promises to redefine the way you prepare your favorite meals. Get ready to embark on a journey of culinary innovation as we delve into the remarkable features that make the Cuisinart 5-in-1 Griddler an essential addition to your kitchen arsenal. Here are the key features of Cuisinart Panini Press, stainless steel griddler, sandwich maker, and more. 5 functions, limitless creativity, the ultimate cooking solution. The Cuisinart Griddler is not just a kitchen appliance, it's your gateway to a world of culinary possibilities. With 5 distinct cooking options, this powerhouse effortlessly adapts to your desires. Craving the perfection of a contact grill, yearning for the tantalizing crunch of a panini press, dreaming of a full grill experience, or perhaps a full griddle for breakfast delights, the Griddler has you covered. Its ingenious design even allows for a half grill and half griddle configuration, a true testament to its versatility. Precision in every bite, custom control at your fingertips. The heart of the Cuisinart Griddler lies in its ability to tailor every cooking experience to perfection. The sturdy panini-style handle, equipped with a hinged floating cover, adapts effortlessly to the thickness of your food. As you embark on your culinary journey, the selector knob allows you to seamlessly switch between grill and griddle functions, unveiling a world of culinary mastery. The adjustable temperature controls grant you the power to achieve optimal results, ensuring that every bite is infused with flavor and texture. Effortless cleanup, culinary joy, easy to use and clean. Embrace the art of cooking without the burden of cleanup. The Griddler's removable and reversible plates, measuring 11 inches by 9 inches, are the epitome of convenience. Crafted with dishwasher-safe non-stick material, these cooking plates not only ensure even cooking but also act as a grease drain for healthier meals. Bid farewell to cumbersome cleanup routines as the integrated drip tray captures excess grease, ready for effortless disposal. Your culinary adventures are about to become a seamless symphony of flavors and ease. Masterful design, unparalleled versatility. More than a grill, the Cuisinart 5-in-1 Griddler isn't just a kitchen tool, it's a masterpiece of design and innovation. Its red and green indicator lights guide you through effortless operation, while the sturdy construction exudes durability. The Griddler arrives with a dishwasher-safe scraping tool, elevating your cleanup game to new heights. Dive into the included instruction manual, adorned with gourmet recipes, and embark on a journey of culinary excellence that will impress even the most discerning palates. A culinary companion for years to come. Limited 3-year warranty. Investing in the Cuisinart 5-in-1 Griddler isn't just a decision, it's a commitment to a future filled with culinary creativity. Backed by a limited 3-year warranty, this Griddler isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in a world where cooking knows no bounds. With its BPA-free construction, you can embark on your culinary journey with peace of mind, knowing that your health and satisfaction are paramount. Ignite your culinary imagination. Your journey begins. The Cuisinart 5-in-1 Griddler isn't just a kitchen appliance. It's your ticket to a realm where culinary imagination knows no limits. Elevate your cooking game. Whether it's a lazy Sunday brunch or a weeknight dinner that begs for a gourmet touch, embrace the culinary symphony that awaits, and let the Cuisinart Griddler take your taste buds on a thrilling adventure.